During the announcement of its flagship processor, the Kirin 980, Huawei announced that its Mate 20 series will go official on October 16th, comprising Mate 20 and Mate 20 Pro flagships. However, before that, the brand has already announced its affordable variant in the form of Mate 20 Lite, and at the ongoing IFA conference, I have managed to get my hands on one device. So in this video, let's take a quick look at what the Mate 20 Lite brings to the table and what exactly could we expect from the upcoming Mate 20 flagships. So the very first thing which you will notice with the Mate 20 Lite is it's massive. Yes, it's a 6.3-inch display up front, and yet it doesn't feel that big in terms of hand holding. You can easily reach corners. I don't find any issues there, so that's definitely a plus in my books. And you will find the design to be similar to other Huawei offerings. You get a glass design at the back and notch display up top, and of course you can disable the notch as you could in other devices from Huawei, so that's there. The display features a full HD plus resolution, which ensures that visuals are crisp, as you can see, and I really like the viewing angles as well, even though it's indoors, and still there is no issues in reading the screen, so that's definitely a good. Talking about the hardware powering the device, you get Kirin 710 chipset, which powers the likes of Huawei Nova 3i. It's a 12nm processor and it's coupled with 4GB of RAM. You can see the effect of the combination. The device seems to be quite smooth. However, we will have to test the device more before giving any verdict on the performance. In terms of the software, you get Android 8.1.0 Oreo with EMUI on top, and of course we can expect it to get Android 9.0 Pie in the future. Just like the Nova 3 and Nova 3i, you get dual cameras at the back as well as at the front of the Mate 20 Lite. At the back you get a 24 megapixel primary camera with an aperture of f1.8 combined with 2 megapixel secondary shooter. At the front you get 20 megapixel primary snapper with f2.2 aperture and combined with a 2 megapixel shooter. Let me just show you the camera interface. So camera interface is fairly similar to what we have seen in previous devices from Huawei. You get AR lens, portrait mode, video, and in terms of portrait mode you also get 3D lighting effect, so that's good. There's live photo as well, and of course you get Master AI mode, which tries to identify the kind of object you are trying to capture and enhances the images accordingly. Another good thing about the Huawei Mate 20 Lite is its battery capacity. It comes with 3750 mAh battery, which is quite impressive and should last you a day of use with ease, if not more. For storage, you get 64GB of memory, which can be expanded further with the use of a micro SD card. All in all, the Mate 20 Lite seems to be an interesting offering, and it has held our hopes high for the upcoming Mate 20 and 20 Pro smartphones. And as of now, we don't know if the Mate 20 Lite will be making its way to the Indian market. However, in Europe, it's priced at an equivalent of rupees 30,000. So it could be an interesting offering in the upper mid-range segment. That's it for this video. This is Nitan signing off. Thanks for watching.